Hello and welcome back to Knitting Nicely. Today we're going to learn how to do a left-leaning increase. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just one knit stitch for my edge. And then I'm going to look for the little bar between my stitches, which is right there, if you can see it. And then I'm going to lift that stitch with my left needle from the front. Then I'm going to put my right needle through the back of that stitch and knit through the back of that stitch. And now you can see that that new stitch is leaning to the left. The front bar of it is to the left. Okay, so I'm slowing it down now so you can see what I'm doing a little slower. I'm putting my left needle through the front of that bar, putting my right needle in to that stitch and going through the back of it, and I'm going to knit through the back of that stitch and pull it up. And then you can see that it's leaning to the left. The front of that stitch is going to the left. And we'll do it one more time, regular speed. So put your left needle through the front of the bar and then knit through the back of that lifted up stitch. And that's your left leaning increase. This kind of increase is normally done on the right hand edge of your work. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you enjoy these Knitting Nicely videos, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to get more of them, please hit the subscribe button. Happy knitting!